y'all? Long time no see. Damn. So happy spring. Just a few updates on what's been happening since quarantine hit. For us, technically, it started the week of the 17th of March. I remember because Jerry, my best friend, his birthday was the week before. That was the last thing we went out to celebrate before everything basically shut down on us. Just been working this whole time. Essential worker life. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've been going out for, apart from, like, you know, grocery runs, that kind of thing. I'm out right now because, as you can see, I got my tires. I'm gonna get it changed over because, like, it's springtime. We're well into double digits, like 14 degrees outside, and I'm burning. I'm closed, like, the windows. There's sunlight streaming in, and, like, I'm dying. I'm, like, wearing just this. So yeah, high time I changed from my winter tires. Also, those steels need to go. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah! Boy, shout out to the boy Adrian.
I love you.
So it's the day after I got my wheels retorqued. Okay, so after about a year of driving Yuki, I feel like I'm qualified to speak about things that I don't like about my car. Okay, first off, there's no coolant temperature gauge. There's only like a light in the dashboard that comes on that's just like blue when it starts up, or, like, you know, red when it's overheating. It'd be nice to have like a little gauge to tell me, you know, whether I'm at optimal temperature, whether it's warming up, or, you know. Secondly, there's no dead pedal cover. Yeah, you can see down here, you know, the gas, brake, clutch. There's no dead pedal cover, and, like, it'll only be a matter of time until this shit wears down. Another thing about the seats, mine especially, there's no lumbar support, which, you know, not really relevant to me, but, like, for somebody who is looking for that, can't find that here, sorry. Now, I know it's gonna be a little whiny, but, like, there's quite a bit of, like, hard scratchy plastics down here. I mean, it's easy to clean and stuff, but, like, I mean, I understand, like, this isn't like a luxury car, but while we're down here, there's no door pockets. I don't know why. That's a bit of a pet peeve. There's only a water bottle holder, and, like, right now I have hand sanitizer in it. Apart from this, which is really only for maybe like change or something, there's nothing. Can't keep you know, owner's manual or anything, cloths to clean the car. It's a bit annoying. Yeah, I got a moonroof, and, like, it automatically opens when I, like, push this down there, but, like, to close it, I have to hold my finger here. Where is it? There it is. To hold my finger here the whole time. I expressly remember my 2006 Mazda, which also had a moonroof. I'm pretty sure it was just one touch and it closed all the way. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I remember. I have auto open close on the drivers, but not the passenger here, which, you know, I've seen in my parents' van, which is 6 years older than my car. Thank you very much. And needless to say, there's no auto up down here either. And then while at night, it'd be nice if, like, you know, some of these controls were backlit, like this, lock and unlock especially. The only thing that's backlit is this, like, little bar above the auto. Then sometimes when I start up the car, the Mazda Connect system is a little slow to boot up, especially in terms of, like, the navigation and stuff. But if I put it into reverse, the camera pretty much works as soon as you open the car, which is really nice. So I'll give them credit for that. This may just be an old-timey, like, problem thing, but, like, if I go to the music, it's muted right now, there really isn't any, like, radio preset buttons. So, like, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is usually, like, I've usually found in, like, other cars, there's only, like, you can, like, make your own presets. Oh my god. Yeah, and here, and these are your favorites. These are technically your presets, but you set them. The car also comes with a couple USB ports right there, but they're more for data transfer than anything. If I wanted to charge, this is really the only what is this, a cigarette lighter port thing? This is the only one powerful enough to actually charge my phone any significant percentage. This center armrest is also well, a little tiny. It also doesn't slide because there's literally no space for it to, but you know, hey, gotta make compromises somewhere, I guess. Okay, so while driving, generally it's pretty nice. The ride is a little firm. You know, I can take that. But the big thing for me is the tires are really noisy. And, you know, I'm on the OE ones and they're pretty loud. Put winters on and oh boy. Also, I'm literally mounting my phone in between the steering wheel and the gauge cluster because my phone mount is broken. Oh, and you may have noticed, my steering wheel looks kind of gross. When I got the car, this was pretty much the biggest patch. I mean, this has gotten bigger, obviously, but like, also the rest of the wheel. Generally, the visibility is pretty good. The only thing is, when I'm turning on a boulevard, if I'm trying to see if there's oncoming traffic, the C-pillar basically blocks my entire view. The only way I can look at oncoming traffic is through the back window or through the side mirrors. Then when we pop the trunk, these gooseneck hinges are huge. Like, come on now. I mean, like, no other like practical way to hinge the fucking trunk, but why are they so huge? I'm forever gonna complain about this on like every car ever, but like the wheel gap is also horrible. I could fit like, oh god, 3 fingers in here in the front. That's the front. And then here's the back. 4 fingers. They're loose, boys. Arguably though, the biggest pet peeve I have with the 3rd gen Mazda 3s in general, this rear diffuser. Every other generation of Mazda 3 sedan has either exhaust tips poking out, mine doesn't. You can't even see them. There they are. They're hidden and they're pointed downwards. Oh god. It's a good looking car, but that, why? Where are the exhaust tips? Where?